Hello friends, welcome to Adobe XD video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, we understand what is Adobe XD and what is it used for. Adobe XD is a UI UX design tool, guys. It is a UI UX design tool. What does UI mean? When a user opens an application, what he or she sees at the first sight is called user interface, guys. When a user opens an application, what he or she sees at the front is called user interface. UI means user interface. In Adobe XD, you can design more appealing means good looking, more professional user interface for wide variety of applications, guys. UX means user experience. What does user experience mean? How a user feels or what experience he go through while using the designed user interface of the application. User experience means while using the designed application, what user experiences, what he feels, whether the application is easy to understand, intuitive, easy to use. That's considered as user experience, guys. In Adobe XD, you can design more user friendly. That means easy to use, easy to understand, intuitive, more good looking, more professional user interface for wide variety of applications. In the current industry, what happens is before building the website, its prototype or its user interface is designed in Adobe XD, Figma, like other UI UX design tools are there. Okay, first user interface is designed in the Adobe XD. Once the design is finalized, the design is being shared with the developers. They write the code and develop or build the actual website which is being deployed in the server and being used by the user, guys. The same thing happens in mobile industry also. Before developing the mobile application, its user interface is designed in the UI UX design tool like Adobe XD or Figma, etc. Once the design is finalized, the design is being shared with the developers, and the developers write the code and develop the actual mobile application that is being deployed in the mobile and used by the user, guys. So that is a process actually. First, the prototype is designed in the UI UX design tool, and later the actual application is developed by the developers, guys. Let's take an example here. If I open the calculator app, okay, here I have a calculator app. Once we open the calculator app, what we are seeing here in the front, this is actually called as user interface, where user interacts. Okay, once we open an app, what we see in the front, that's called user interface, guys. Okay, we have some buttons here, right? We have 3 lines over here. So this is actually user interface. What is user experience? While using this app, what we feel, okay, what we feel, that's called user experience. Like if I move the mouse cursor on these buttons, the buttons are getting slightly grayed out, you see that. And if I click on these 3 lines here, see a sidebar is popping up. It's just slowly sliding to the right side, and if I click, it slowly slides out, slides in and slides out. See how nice it looks while using this application. If I say graphing, so it opens the graph editor, and then if I click on standard, see the buttons are slowly popping up, right? So it looks good, right? It feels good to use the application. So that's actually called as a user experience, guys. In Adobe XD, we can, as I told, we can design more user friendly, intuitive and appealing user interface. Okay, we can create the prototypes for web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, handheld device applications, or any type of GUI applications, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood what is Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a UI UX design tool. It's a prototyping tool, guys. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I hope you like this video. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss Adobe XD software, and we create wide variety of prototypes for wide variety of applications. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.